Hi everyone, Russell here again. Today we're going to be installing a wireless winch control. The kit that I ordered actually comes with two remotes. So the first remote, there will just be an on-off button here on the side, and then of course you just hold the button for in and out. And then there's one that hooks up to the key, which kind of has a cover so you can't accidentally hit the button. So I'll hook that up to the key. And then as far as the wiring goes on this, pretty simple. You have your ground wire. Of course, this blue one is just the antenna to get the signal from the remotes. The red wire is going to be your power supply like usual, but I recommend hooking this into the accessory power supply, so there will only be power to it when the key's on. Otherwise, it will just sit there and run your battery down when you're not driving. And then the white and the yellow are going to be your in and out. So this is kind of the rundown to make your winch wireless. All right, so up here in front, I'm gonna have the hood taken off. I'm being kind of lazy. I don't want to take the windshield off and remove the roof because of my light bar. So I'll just kind of show you what needs to be done. Now I'm going to do it all without removing that. So right there's my winch solenoid. Out of my winch solenoid, I have a green and a black wire coming out. That's what controls your in and out. So I'm going to hook up to that. And then right here on the bar, you should have this little connector right here, which should be sitting in this blue cap. Okay, you can tap into this. This is a power supply. I've already tapped into it because that's what powers my turning signal, street legal kit, horn, all of that, four-way flashers, all gets its power supply from here. So that's just conveniently sitting there that you can use as a power supply. Like I said, the power will come on with the key, so you don't have to worry about it draining the battery. And then hook it into your solenoid. Hook it up to the in and out, power, ground, and should be fairly easy. All right, so we have everything hooked up. There's the controller right there. I tapped into the in and out line for the winch. The blue wire right there that you can see is the antenna. I hooked into that power supply I showed you earlier. And here's the fob for the hook up to your key. So let's see. So that remote works, and let's try this one. So there we have it hooked up. I have about 15 to 20 minutes of labor. Super easy hookup, and less than $20 including shipping. So I think this is a pretty good accessory to have. So just something for you to keep in mind if that's something you want. And like I said, easy hookup, easy install. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.